Good morning class. Today in biology I am going to teach you chapter 4 and the topic is human body. And the first topic of the chapter is organ and their excretory product. The human body has a specific organ for the excretion of solid, liquid and gaseous waste from the body. And the main organ for the excretion in human body is lungs, skin, large intestine, kidney, anus and urethra. For the excretion of these waste products from the body, there is a system present in human body that is called excretory system. For the removal of liquid waste from the body as a feces through the anus, and the skin excrete the liquid waste as a sweat from the skin through a hole that is present on the outer side of the body. See, this is the structure of the skin. This is dermis and this is epidermis. Outer layer of the skin, there is a hair are present. These are the dead cells layers, and there are nerves present and blood vessels, and this is the sweat gland. Through this we sweat the liquid waste into outside the body through this sweat glands we sweat. इस स्वेट ग्लैंड्स के द्वारा हम अपने शरीर से पसीना बाहर निकालते हैं. Now the liquid waste, that is urea and uric acid, that we excrete through the urinary bladder, and the respiratory waste, that is carbon dioxide, carried by the blood to the lungs for the purification, and the alveoli that is present in the kidney absorb the carbon dioxide and purify the bloods, and then these carbon dioxide will throughout by our nose. Now the renal excretory system. This is renal excretory system diagram. As you know, human body for the removal of waste have a system that is called excretory system, and the excretory system consists of kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. See, this is the structure of kidney of human excretory system. In a human excretory system, there are two bean-shaped red brownish color kidney are present in our abdominal system, either side of the vertebral column. हमारे रीढ़ की हड्डी के अगल बगल हमारे एब्डोमिनल कैविटी में दो किडनी प्रेजेंट होती हैं, एंड द लेफ्ट किडनी इज हायर in position than the right kidney, and the inside the kidney there is a cells are present, fistulas are present, that is called hilus, and hilus into which entry of renal artery, exit of renal waste and exit of ureters occurs. Okay, from the kidney, removal of when the blood carries the deoxygenated blood to the kidney, it will purify the bloods, and the waste product will carry by this ureter to the urinary. जब blood लेके आता है deoxygenated blood को किडनी में, तो किडनी ब्लड को प्यूरिफाई करती है, और जो उसके गैसेस वेस्ट बचते हैं ब्लड में, वो यूरेटर के द्वारा यूरिनरी ब्लैडर को सप्लाई कर दिए जाते हैं. नाउ यूरेटर इज अ ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. इट्स लेंथ इज 30 सेंटीमीटर. ब्लैडर इज अ सैक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. द वर्क ऑफ यूरिनरी ब्लैडर इज टू स्टोर द यूरिन. व्हेन द यूरिन इन एक्सेस, it will stay down, and then we are to pass out the urine through the urethra. Urethra is a tube-like structure, and its length is smaller in female and larger in males, and it will open through a urinary opening. When the urine in excess and we are to pass out the urine, then through the urinary urethra. Now the urinary bladder is a muscular sac present in a pelvic region of our body, and the main function of urinary bladder is to store the urine before its release out of the body. And third one, last organ of the excretory system is urethra. Urethra is a small thin tube which removes urea from the urinary bladder into the surroundings. And the opening of the urinary bladder into the urethra is guarded by a sphincter. Length of urethra is smaller in female than that in male. And the urge to pass out the urine occurs in a person when bladder start getting stuck. जब यहाँ पर अधिक maximum amount of urine will be present in the urinary bladder, then it will stuck. ये फैलने लगता है जिससे कि हमारे urinary bladder में दर्द पेन महसूस होता है और तब हम यूरिन को पास आउट करते हैं. The bladder is filled to its highest capacity and the urge becomes painful to the person. The process of urinating is called the micturition. Micturition is a process by which pass out the urine. Urine mainly contains the 96% of organic substance, 2.5% of inorganic substances, and the organic substance in urea contains the uric acid, hormones and vitamin etc. are present in the urine, and the inorganic substance present in the urine are sodium, magnesium, calcium, iodine and phosphorus and some chlorides are also present as the inorganic substance in urea. So when we allow it to stand for some time, this urine will decomposes and form the ammonia gas. That's why we are smelling a foul smell in our toilet. That is the smell of ammonia that comes from the decomposition of urea and forming ammonia gas. So that's all for excretory system. Thank you and bye.